Tamil Nadu ICF Annual Report 2019-20. I take immense pleasure in presenting the ICF State Report Tamil Nadu for the year 2019-20. The first event was State Council from 26th to 28th of July 2019 with 181 participants at St. Joseph College, Trichy. With several distinguished guests, Reverend Father Leonard Fernando, Mr. Tanneer Vinod, Ms. Sumita, Unit Advisor, Gonzaga College, Mr. Lennon, State President, Ms. Vaishnavi, State Coordinator on the theme Vyadhi Change. The first day started with inaugural function followed by the State Council election on the second day. Several suggestions were put forth by Reverend Fathers Parthasarathi for the upcoming year. The final day ended with ICF election results and the determined youngsters took over the responsibilities. The 3 days came to a close with a positive feedback session. Moving on to the next event, Executive Committee Members Orientation from 9 to 11 of August 2019, Tamil Nadu ICF Executive Committee members visited Makkambalayam in Satyamangalam Forest, Erode district for 3 days orientation. It was a group of 10 including the State Advisor for the Parthasarathi. There were 2 sessions on the consecutive days, one on social leaders by Father Parthasarathi and other on servant leadership by Father James Raja. The orientation validated with a visit to the newly renovated chapel and finalization of the active plans for Tamil Nadu ICF State Activities 2020. Flood relief work and disaster management from 30th August to 1st September of 2019. The ICFers visited Ooty district and distributed the essential things like rice, dress, biscuits, etc. to the tribal people, and their in-charger, Mr. Suresh Kumar, introduced us to them. The final day concludes by giving them a brief awareness on their rights and their scholarship. Passing on to the leadership camp at St. Joseph College, Trichy from 5th to 7th of September 2019 started with its theme Leaders for Social Transformation and 55 unit excos from all the colleges of Tamil Nadu were participated. The State Advisor, Reverend Father Parthasarathi, explained the very purpose of the theme through interactions with the participants. The last day of the camp ends with the release of ICF magazine holding the title Vidudalai Mulakkam. Unit Advisors meet on 20th October 2019 at St. Joseph College, Trichy. 25 unit advisors from the southern part of Tamil Nadu participated in the event. Professor John, former ICF National Nominator, shared about the history of ICF and its relevance today for the student of this era. The meet ends with a discussion between the unit advisors and their new plans for the upcoming year. Women Commission Camp entitled on Women, the Agents of Social Transformation on 7th December 2019 at St. Joseph College. The sessions were handed over to Mr. Arul Raja, who gave talks on women empowerment through neuro-linguistics programming. He also gave a talk on the success of self-employability skills. The meeting came to an end with the invitation for National Convention by Reverend Father Emmanuel S.J. Ecological Awareness Camp 26 and 27 of December 2019 at Nagamangalam, Trichy. The nature-oriented camp taught the students about natural herbs and its importance in our daily life. Mr. Yoganathan, our trainer, taught us the various herbs and how to prepare pesticides for farming. Also, we visited Indian Agricultural Research Center near JJ College, Trichy. Final day ends with a practical session on preparing hair oils for cold and fever. Media Camp on 16 and 17 of January 2020. The ICF State Excos of Tamil Nadu had organized a media camp for all units of Tamil Nadu in Kriya School, Nagamangalam, Trichy. Mr. John Peter, ex-ICFer and founder of the school, encouraged the participants to be courageous in addressing the social evils through media and life. Director Amudan taught some ideas of video coverage and shooting short films. Some salient features shared by the director and his own documentary films were screened. Social Analysis 25 and 26 of January 2020 at Prathiyur, Trichy. Tamil Nadu ICF and Youth Commission of Jesuit Madurai Province jointly organized a 2-day program on social analysis. Youth depicted the social evils creatively. The 2-day training of TOT came to an end with the positive feedbacks. Cultural Troop Training 28 and 29 of February 2020 at St. Joseph College. Students from St. Joseph College and Holy Cross College, Trichy volunteered to come in the evenings after their classes to learn Parai. We entered by learning 10 steps in Parai and some social awareness songs. Tamil Nadu ICF other programs. Collaboration with Tannir, a movement for safeguarding water bodies, Think Tank, Echo Wing, Media Wing, Protest and Rally. We were born into an unjust society and we are determined not to leave it as we have found it.